So today I'm going to be working on my dad's old reliable Geo Tracker. The rear wheel's missing a stud, so I'm going to take the wheel off, throw a stud in there, and put it all back together. But first I gotta move my brother's Camaro. And I'm gonna park it right here behind the Buick. It's the angle it's always used to looking at. So this is with the drum open. In case you ain't never seen what the inside of a drum looks like, that's what the rear brakes are right here. And then right here is where the stud is missing. I got the new one. I'm gonna have to put the car in neutral and spin this rotor so that I could have a little bit of room to get this lined up, and then I'll pull it through with a lug nut. And in case anyone was wondering how the rear brakes work compared to a newer car, I'll step on the brakes and show you. So as you step on the brakes, these shoes right here expand, which touches the inside of this wall, and that's what slows down the car compared to the newer style brakes, which clamp onto a rotor. So that's the one that's being replaced. As you can see, it's not sticking out as far as that one. I already tried to do it with the wheel on, but the wheel's not made of steel, so I didn't want to damage it. So what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to take this wrench, and then I'm going to take a lug nut and put it over it as a spacer, pretty much exactly what the tool would do, and hopefully that works. So the wheel's back on, new stud is on. Just need some new lug nuts, not only for this back wheel. As I walked around the car, you could see that one's all banged up bad. Some of these don't even look like they're tight. And this is what you get when you buy a Geo Tracker.